Welcome back to Product Scout. Today, we're diving into a product that can truly change the way you work or game at your desk. The iCasso Ergonomic Keyboard Stand and Wrist Rest Pad. If you spend hours typing or gaming, you know how important it is to keep your wrists comfortable and supported to avoid pain and fatigue. This product promises to do just that with some thoughtful design features and quality materials. Right off the bat, the iCasso Wrist Rest is designed to fit a wide range of keyboards. Whether you have a compact 60%, 65%, or 75% keyboard, or a full-sized one, this stand accommodates them all with its universal sizing. Measuring around 17 inches long and about 3.5 inches wide, it provides ample space for your wrists without taking up too much room on your desk. This versatility means you don't have to worry about whether it will fit your setup, it almost certainly will. What makes this wrist rest stand out is its ergonomic design. It includes a special massage point pattern on the surface. These massage points are intended to help relieve wrist pain by creating a textured surface that gently stimulates your wrist and palm while you rest on it. Additionally, the surface has a unique uneven texture that helps prevent your wrist from feeling stuffy or sweaty during long use. This small detail contributes to a more comfortable experience overall, especially during extended typing or gaming sessions. The material used is high-density memory foam, known for its slow rebound and excellent support. This means when you place your wrist on it, it gently molds to your shape, providing personalized comfort. Plus, the memory foam returns to its original shape even after long-term use, so you won't have to worry about it flattening out or losing support over time. This durability is crucial for something you'll be using daily. Underneath, the base is made from non-slip PU material. This feature ensures that the wrist rest stays firmly in place on your desk, avoiding any sliding or shifting that can interrupt your focus. The thick and soft base grips your desktop surface well, which is particularly important if you tend to move your keyboard or rest your arms heavily while working or gaming. Another convenience is its easy-to-clean surface. The wrist rest is covered with a smooth, breathable premium leather-like material that is simple to wipe clean with a damp cloth. So if you happen to spill a little drink or get dust on it, maintaining it is hassle-free. Just wipe it down and let it air dry, and it's good as new. The product also comes with an acrylic tilted holder that complements the wrist rest. This holder acts as a stand to give your keyboard an adjustable angle, promoting a more natural wrist position and reducing strain. It's a neat addition that turns your regular keyboard setup into an ergonomic workstation, making it perfect for home offices, professional environments, or gaming setups. The iCasso keyboard stand and wrist rest pad are not only functional but also sleek in design. The black color and clean rectangular shape blend well with any desk style without looking bulky or out of place. It also doubles as a desk organizer of sorts, helping to keep your workspace tidy and neat. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable, comfortable, and ergonomic wrist support that fits multiple keyboard sizes, offers massage features, and stays put thanks to its non-slip base, the iCasso Ergonomic Keyboard Stand and Wrist Rest Pad is worth considering. It's made with quality memory foam that lasts, and the included acrylic holder gives you an ergonomic tilt, enhancing your typing posture. Plus, it's easy to maintain, making it a practical addition to any desk. That's all for today's look at the iCasso Keyboard Wrist Rest. If you want to upgrade your workstation comfort and reduce wrist strain, this could be the product for you. Thanks for watching Product Scout, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product insights and reviews. See you next time.